Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Kanak Infosystems LLP. In this video, we are going to discuss some interesting facts about Python programming. You must be aware how important is Python these days. Python is becoming increasingly popular and it is now used in almost every industry. Experts recommend that you begin learning Python as early as possible. Also, there is a fact behind Python that it is used by large corporations. Python is used by a number of well known companies. Some of these include NASA, Google, Nokia, IBM, Yahoo Maps, Facebook, Netflix, Expedia, Reddit, Quora, and many more are there. Earlier, Python was started as a side project. Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python, was looking for a hobby project to keep him occupied during the week leading up to Christmas in December 1989. He had considered creating a new scripting language that was a descendant of ABC and would appeal to Unix programmers. Python was the name he came up with in his mind. And there are many flavors of Python. These are CPython. The most common Python implementation is written in C. Jython. The program is written in Java and compiles to bytecode. IronPython, an extensibility layer for frameworks written in .NET and written in C#. Brython. Browser Python is a type of Python that runs in a web browser. RubyPython. The Python and Ruby interpreters are connected by a bridge. MicroPython. It is controlled by a microcontroller. There is a fact behind Python that it is preferred over French by many people. According to a recent survey, Python has surpassed French as most popular language taught in primary schools in the United Kingdom in the year 2015. As of now, Python is preferred by 60% of the population. There is a fact that Python had an impact on JavaScript. Python is one of the 9 languages that influenced JavaScript designs. Thank you for watching our video. Do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Stay connected to Kanak Infosystems LLP. Have a nice day.